Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial I will show you how to create a custom audience in Facebook Ads Manager so you can run ads, powerful retargeting ads and reconnect with people who have already interacted with your business. Retargeting is one of the most effective advertising strategies because you are targeting users who already know your brand, visited your website, watches your videos, or engaged with your Facebook page. So let's get started. Step number 1, open your Facebook Ads Manager. First, log into your Facebook account and open Meta Ads Manager. Click the right side Facebook menu option, scroll down and click Ads Manager option. From the left side menu, click on audience section. If you do not see that, immediately click on it all tools and then select audience under the advertise section. Step number 2, create a new custom audience. Facebook will now show different audience source you can use for retargeting. Step number 2, create new custom audience. From the drop down menu, select custom audience. Facebook will now show different audience source you can use for retargeting. Step number 3, shows your audience source, your source website. You can create audience from several source website visitor. Shows this open if you want to target people who visited your website. Make sure your metapixel is installed and working correctly on your website. Click next option. Your metapixel, check your website for easy setup option. This optional, you can give your website link here and continue. For this example, we'll choose website visitor. Step number 4, configure website audience setting. Select your metapixel, then choose who you want to include. All website visitor, people who visited specific web page, visitor by time spent. You can choose visitor by time spent. Next, choose the retention period. For example, 13 days, 16 days, or 19 days, or 180 days. 16 days is good for your retargeting campaign. Percentage, your most important customer who visited and time spent your website, 25%. 25% time spent is the best for your campaign result because he is a very important customer for your website, for your business. So you can choose it. Audience name your audience, give your audience a clear name. Example, website visitor last 13 days. This helps you easily identify audience later when creating campaign. Click create audience. Okay, description, no needed, it's optional. Then click create audience. Facebook will be building your audience automatically. Step 6, use the audience in your retargeting campaign. Now go back to ads manager and create a new campaign. Choose your campaign objective during the ad set setup. Scroll to the AdSense section. Under custom audience, select the audience you just created. Facebook will now show your ads only to people who previously interested with your business. Bonus tip, for even better result, create multiple retargeting audience. Website visitor 13 days, add to cart users, video viewers 75% watches, Instagram engager, Facebook page engagers. Then create separate ads tailored to each audience. This usually increases conversion and lowers advertising costs. Conclusion, that's how you create a custom audience for Facebook retargeting ads. Retargeting allow you to reconnect with earned audience who are already familiar with your brand, making it easier to generate leads, sales, and conversation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Facebook ads and digital marketing tips. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.